everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about the university at Buffalo. Okay, so let's see the rankings. University of Buffalo, that is UB, founded in 1846, is the largest institute in the State University of New York system. The university has more than 31,000 students, including 21,921 undergraduates and 10,002 graduates and professional students. These are students from all over the world at the university as well as world-renowned professors. The students live an energetic life at the university. So let's see the briefing for this university and about the course. Duration being 1.5 to 2 years, course fee being 24 to 25 lakhs, and the application deadline for the spring is September and fall is December. Now let's have a look at the curriculum for this college. This program is not currently being offered by the university. Courses like graduate study in computer science and engineering, fundamentals of programming languages, emerging comp architecture, programming with Python, intro to R programming, embedded architecture, introduction to operating systems, software requirement engineering, real-time and embedded system, multimedia system, computational biology, informatic retrieval error correcting codes, combinatory algorithms applications. Now let's see the process, how to apply to this college. So let's have a quick look at the steps. You need to prepare the documents for the application, that are LOR, which are 3, resume and CV. Step 2, additional documents, that is a copy of the official university transcript from undergraduate and graduate school. Application fee and 85 for USD, that is 6.42 thousand. Okay. So let's see the requirements. Class 12, no specific cutoff mentioned. For the bachelors, they are expected to have a very strong background in computer science, math or engineering. Exams, TOEFL 79, IELTS 65 and PT 55. Now let's have a look at the scholarships. So the Generations Google Scholarship, USA. Talking about this scholarship, the eligibility currently enrolled as a high school senior intending to enroll at a university in the United States or Canada for the 2021 academic year, intended to be enrolled or accepted as a full-time student in bachelor's, master's or PhD program at an accredited university in the US or Canada for this year. Maximum scholarship per student is 10,000 USD or rupees 7,55,300, and the deadline for the same being December. You need to apply to this university and you need to submit some documents. Documents include resume, CV, academic transcripts, 1 letter of reference, responses to 4 short essay answers. Then recipients will be submitted based on the overall strength. Before starting your application, please, you need to have certain documents ready with you, which include a PDF copy of your resume, a PDF copy of your current transcript, a PDF copy of your short answer responses. Now let's have a look at the placements. So the average salary is $40,053. University of Texas at Arlington. So let's see the rankings. Established in 1895, the University of Texas at Arlington is an open research institution which is associated with the Universities Research Association and the Oak Ridge Associated University. The university has 220,000 plus alumni around the world. The university has a list of some notable alumni that include Betsy Price, 44th Mayor of the Fort Worth, Charles Baker, actor, and many more. Now let's see the briefing. So the duration of the course is 1.5 to 2 years. The course fee is ranging from 31 to 32 lakhs and the application deadline is March. Let's have a look at the curriculum. So it is designed to develop the scholarship and research skills of the student. It is available with thesis and non-thesis option. It is designed to extend the student's knowledge and emphasize a particular area of concentration like intelligence systems, software engineering, database, communication, and computer systems. Students must choose 2 major from the following: AI, database, multimedia, graphics, image processing, software engineering, systems, architecture, networks and theory and algorithms, bioinformatics, and information security. Now let's have a look at the application process for the same. So steps: Prepare documents for application, SOP, submit statement of purpose detailing the applicant's background, education, professional goals, technical interests, and research interest is required for aerospace engineering. Step 2, additional documents. Submit one set of official mark sheets, diplomas, or transcripts of all undergraduate and graduate coursework, official GRE test score. Step 3, you need to start your online application. So application fee for this course is 90 USD, that is 6.8 thousand Indian rupee. Mode of payment will be credit card. Students can pay their tuition fee in 3 installments in each semester. Plan is not available for your summer semester. Now let's see the requirements. Class 12, no specific cutoff is mentioned. Bachelor's, 3.8 GPA, preferably in an area related to computer science, computer engineering, or software engineering with an overall GPA of 3.0 or higher, and undergraduate coursework. Exams, TOEFL 83 with no area of score less than 20, IELTS accepted, at least 6.5 in all areas, and GRE 305. Now let's have a look at the scholarships provided to us. We have the scholarship named as Tylenol Future Care Scholarship. So each year, the master makers of Tylenol award annual scholarship to well-deserving students pursuing careers in healthcare. So number of awards that are granted are 35. Eligibility, master's level study, doctoral level study, other postgraduate level study, or the college senior. Attend an A-accredited university. So deadline for the same is July. And the amount of scholarship that you receive is 5,000 to 10,000 USD. Now let's have a look at the placement opportunities. Average salary is $30,061.